Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and today we are a little bit later than usual. So everything good here, everything looking nice. Let's see, SPY is pumping up again. You really want to be trading apparently above those 630. In general, we are doing good. Marie is not here today, so we're gonna have Zach at some point. And let's see how we do today. And where is my guy Zach? Let's see if we see Zach around here. So as I am a little bit later today, I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna wait for it, and whenever we get there, we get there. But we are not jumping into any trade just because of yes. So let's see what my guy is doing. Hello?
Hello, hello.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Pretty good.
Okay. Let's see. Can you say something? I don't hear you well.
Hello, hello.
Okay, now I can hear you perfect. So, so how are things going over there?
Pretty good.
Nice.
What about you?
Everything good. I'm on vacation for 2 weeks, so I'm trying to enjoy the vacations, but I'm gonna be trading here and there. Like this week, I think it's only Monday, but yeah, everything going well.
Yeah, I had a big week of working,
Yeah.
so I took Monday off because I work on Sunday, last Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
Like not yesterday, but the Sunday before.
Okay.
It's double time. Like every hour you work, it's 2 hours,
Very nice.
and I did like 12.5 hours that day.
Wow, that's a lot.
Pretty tired on the week.
Yeah. Like I guess after 12 hours you don't have energy to do much.
So I think I can afford to take the Monday.
Okay, market just opened,
Mhm.
and
You stream today or no?
yeah, we are in the streaming actually. I forgot to tell you. Yeah, we are in the streaming, and normal thing like, as usual until 11:30. And I'm looking at those things like I want to probably go long NVDA or something like that, but because I am super late, I was paying my driving license, and I went there and like it took way longer than what I expect. So
Did you have a appointment or?
no, but like I was one of the first 7 people to be attended, but like because I was there before they open. It's just they open a little bit later than what I was expecting. So I thought it was at 8:30, but they open at 9.
Oh shit.
Yeah, but all good. Like in general, it's just like so. But what I'm saying is like because I was late, I'm just gonna be patient because I don't have too many shots to waste. So I have to be careful where I decide to shot those things. Is there any name that you are looking at specifically?
Yeah, like PLTR, UD, IBIT, and Weibo.
Okay, so those are a lot of
Weibo
names.
announced that they were up a shit ton yesterday,
Yeah. Okay.
and they announced a share offering that is way lower than the price.
Wow.
So, well, it fell down. Now it's coming back up a bit.
Okay. Very cool.
I think Weibo is a risky play.
Yeah, like when you say those names, like I will be interested normally to trade those things, but like like it's I will stay around the names I like trade. Like Hood is one of them. Let's say, like I look at Hood. And Hood is in a good place to be taking a trade probably, but I don't see the clear size where I want to go in. Probably it will be something like 107 probably. We're gonna drop a line right there for now just to see what it wants to do. But this is not looking very bullish right now, but it can offer something. Let's see. Like
I'll wait a bit. In this moment.
okay. That 59 probably will work. Let's see an AMD. heavy selling on AMD around there.
Yeah, yesterday I had some time, then I practiced a bit.
Nice.
Pretty good.
How did you trade yesterday?
I just replayed a bunch of trade from the 2 weeks before.
Mm-hmm.
Like PLTR, Hood, IBIT.
Very nice. So I took a little bite on AMD there, just half a size. Let's see if he wants to play or not. And I am using very tight stop loss from quite long ago already, but it's a new way of trading for me. And like for example, you see right there, like if that doesn't hold, I'm gonna probably be breaking even or minimizing even my stop loss. So let's see, it's holding good. So I'm gonna be patient with that. This is the first shot. It's not big of a deal. It's just half a size. I can add if it promised that much. We have to be aware that we are coming back up in nothing there. Like I mean, there is not much share size being at the bid at the 59. So if we are holding that good with that little, this thing can really go kaboom. And there we go. We are like going a little bit higher. Let's try to add more. So I'm just gonna add full size there if it allow me to do that. Okay, give me those shares. There we go. It didn't work. He got me out immediately, but we can look for it to claim it back. And NVDA, yeah, like that was a full size. Sorry for the alarm. Like I know it's noisy, but like for me to hear you clear, like I don't know why, but your voice compared to the volume, yeah, it's a little bit low. Okay, let's see. Okay, you're going below. Okay, I'm gonna walk away from this thing now for a little bit. So, are you looking at PLTR or Hood?
Mm-hmm.
Like one of them right now or not?
I placed an order on PLTR, but I was too slow. Like put it. I don't think I was gonna get filled.
Okay.
It whipped the price that I wanted to go.
Oof. Okay, let's see.
So you're out of AMD?
Yeah, I got out almost immediately.
Okay.
But what I did, like there is it was not a mistake because I respect my entry, but like what I did wasn't the best, was to add kind of right away. So like now I'm gonna go, but just half a size. Let's see if we want to go lower. I'm gonna go half a size there. It shouldn't get me out. Oh, well, yeah, it got me out. You see, it's a little bit spray, and that was okay because, as I say, that was little size. So probably NVIDIA is gonna do a little bit better, but like now I'm gonna be looking the other way because NVIDIA has a print. Let's see the 20. Okay, I got Nvidia short. That one I can probably hold for a little bit if it doesn't get me out right away, because there is a pending size at 171. So we only have to be a little bit patient here. That's with half a size, it should print good if we are correct. And there we go. It's going down. I want to be breaking even in that trade because, yeah, I don't want it to snap the 20 again. I have a good price. The good prices, I don't like it to be offered too many times. So the 20 is still having sizes, but like that's what I mean. I wanted to not go there, and it will go there. It got there, yeah, it's okay. Like probably we're gonna have to look for a little bit higher. 20.
I have an order on Webull short.
Webull short, okay. Well, what is the ticket for Webull?
Bull. BULL.
I went. Okay,
The price is right at my order, but
ooh la la.
tell me.
Okay, Nvidia is losing at that right now. So on Nvidia, I'm gonna try to go at a little bit shorter again.
I got fill on Webull.
Nice. Hey, Nvidia want to play games, so.
Your PR is going up.
Nvidia is a trade right now just to pay commissions. I am not heavy on that, and I won't be going heavy because the SPY is going higher. And did you got the Webull?
Yeah.
So, ooh la la. Yeah, like that, I'm gonna put it in another chart, but that seems to be very bullish. It's just like, I never traded that before.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, like one of the best price I see right now in that Webull is 1550. What price do you have?
Got the PLTR too. Short.
Nice.
I have 1577.
Okay, yeah.
PLTR 2 short.
Okay.
That's risky.
The BLTR?
Mhm.
Oh yeah. No, oh yeah, that's risky. Da-da-dum. Hood, I like it a lot, but I miss it. Like if you see, I put the blue line here. It snapped once. Like that was a very clean offer.
Yeah, I
Like,
had a range there too. I missed it.
but like, yeah, I didn't. I wasn't willing to go heavy on that because it's looking a little bit bearish. Like it's bullish as in certain things, but if the market stop pumping, like it may go down.
Weeble. Go start the show.
Yeah, like it's really finding. Yeah, but like
But the VWAP is. The VWAP mixed with the 100 EMA is blocking it.
Like you see that it's a decent size at 1535.
Okay, PLTR.
Yeah, PLTR I see.
Hello.
Yeah, you're printing good on PLTR, huh?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's
1.5 or
how many?
1.5.
1.5. Nice. There we go. We have the okay.
PLTR going back up.
In Nvidia, I should be adding, but like it's no. I don't want to add because I am not in the position to add. Like I have a couple losses already, so I want to pay back those losses and then be able to hit something harder. But right now, AMD was a good buy at 58, but like I left it alone, and then it's like that was a mistake.
Spy, look at Spy.
Yeah, SPY is now about 630. There we go. Good call.
I like PLTR went back up and didn't break it, so maybe it's
Yeah, I'm out of.
should be out of short seeing Spy like that.
You should be printing good in Webull.
And I just went back up. The PLTR I'm printing. I'm gonna take partial soon on PLTR.
Nice.
I'm gonna do 1/4. Do you know if there's a news?
I didn't check. I'll be there. Let's go half a size in this name. No, there is no news today.
PLTR going back up.
my goodness. I got one more shot and that's it.
Yeah, out of votes. I like.
Yeah, like
And spice pumping like that.
yeah. I think Nvidia shouldn't be going that high, so um, as I said, that probably gonna be my last shot in there. But we're gonna see. Like sometimes we still do good. Like that 73 is supposed to represent that problem right there. PLTR, though it's going higher, is having trouble going higher. Like
Let me out and
it's making like long wicks to the downside. Like the wicks are at the upside, but like that kind of imply that there is a lot of sellers.
But yeah, you know why I'm here?
Yes, honey, I'm working right now. Do you need something?
No, I only
in PLTR. I wanted to go back in, but I was too slow. It was exactly the day before peak, not peak, but like peak at 12. I'm gonna take another one and then be done. Aurora is still pumping today. No. think it sold off on Friday just because it was Friday. Like a 2%, not bad, not bad. Just people being scared of the weekend. LTR, my guy. No, I wicked my re-entry. Gonna wait at 10, like I was doing. Food is like doing a flag. Almost. Five running up. Have you seen Jobai lately? You know, when I called it, I don't have a long, almost did. No. hmm Jobai was almost like for a week was like for even a month is like all green days except 3. But when I went to Michigan, I, they gave me their card to have an internship. Yeah, in California. Yeah, I was looking at their stocks and yeah, it's like a little Aurora in another field. But there were like 2 other companies than Jobai, like Vertical Aerospace. That's that was down quite a lot, but now it's up 30% in a month. Archer Aviation, that's up like yeah, and Jobai with the I think it was like yeah 100% in 1 month. Crazy. I almost bought it before Michigan. It was 1 month ago. hmm But the problem that I have is like I don't put like money in my accounts that are like just in case. Every time I want to buy, it's like process to deposit the money. And like I think I wanted to buy, but like I needed to deposit the money and everything. Like the time, but the stock went up, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait for it to go down. But never go down. Mhm. Yeah, I have an order for Robinhood long at 108. really tight stop loss. There we go. I like the movement on wood. I didn't get filled yet, but come in. Yes, sir. I'm in. Gonna take profit fast, so putting like really tight stop loss. So if it gets to like VWAP on 2 hours, if it gets to 109, like 3 hours. Would be the partial at VWAP, let's say. Yeah, it's touching a range, plus stochastic is crossing. Plus, I see the pattern that it's like stepping up, let's say. What I mean? Like, it got down, up, then it dropped down, but not as low as the first time, so it might bounce from there and go higher. Don't know if you know what I mean. The range started at 108 from the day before. One hour. Oh yeah. So do I take profit? Like, do I take half at the view up? I think I'll let it run. Ooh, yeah. That's my guy. That's a view up. What's the middle print? Okay. Mhm. Mhm. I move my stop loss on wood to break even. Going well, I think. Oh yeah, break view up. Yes, sir. And that was a nice entry if it works. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The week of the lowest candle of like that range. If you don't count the drop in the morning, it's the lowest. Do you think he can do a higher high? Like a day high?
But you see the price that you have, the 108. That price is good enough that if you have 108 precisely, you should be breaking even. Like because like it's if you go there again, like you're probably gonna go down more. But if you see in the 5 minute here, it was holding the moving average quite good. And like you can even zoom out a bit more. Yeah, this thing have been trading very long time above the moving average. And like yeah, this is a 400. The fact that he claimed it is it's probably gonna go higher. And SPY is pumping very good. Like probably like listen to that with a big grain of salt, but probably it's gonna go 111. Because the 110 was the one that showed some resistance.
Down.
The sellers are still selling a lot.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Yeah, very nice candle there.
I'm taking partial at 109.
Nice.
Let's see where it goes. VWAP is blocking it a bit.
Yeah, like the VWAP is 108.69. Something I like to do lately is to check if there is size at that price. But there is no sizes in there, so it's gonna go through probably. Like you have at 80, but 80 is above the VWAP. Then you have at 09. Oh my goodness.
You have 2 weeks of vacation from
Yeah,
Work?
yeah, 2 weeks. Yeah, I come back August 4th.
Oh, my birthday.
Yeah, yeah. You were lucky this time. It's a Monday. I mean, well, not lucky because you're gonna be working
Yeah.
probably, but
But the 2nd of August, that's where I'm
celebrating.
celebrating it.
Nice.
All my friends are available, and it's rare because they have like the police and the paramedic.
Yeah, they have off schedule like.
Yeah, they have like 6 days and 4 days of vacation, and then
Yeah. So,
so that's pretty nice.
so for my trading here, like just as revision for as I always do, like I made a couple mistakes and I'm okay with them as I say because what is happening right now is like whenever I have a green day, it's good for you pay for multiple red days normally. So that's why I'm still doing okay. But here, I took a couple trades without looking at the sizes on the tape, and that's not good because normally it doesn't hold. Like for example, if you see here, there was a seller at 60, like 172.60. There was a seller on Nvidia, and if you see, like that was at the price I came out, and like then it worked quite well. Like if you shoot at the 60 instead of at the 50, it will be totally okay. And then when we check the 72, which is a whole print, you see how here every week below here after this one, every week is getting higher and higher. So in reference with the buyer that was at 172, that was there because that one I saw it, there was it was making higher highs, and this is like kind of a liquidity grab according to according to Neo. But all of those are wicks that none of those candles die below there. So once you do that very bullish move, there is no reason why to be looking for a short around here, because this buyer really took over. So the same, if you go at 72, you never get stop out after the last couple candles. But it's something that we have to practice more and more, and like just to not get entries where there is no sizes. So I don't know Hood. I think Hood is printing good yet for SAC, but he went on Hood at 108. At 108 we had about 200 lot in general. There was 140 plus another 50 something or 40 something plus whoever joined in there. And look how clean is that entry at the 108. Congratulations, Zach, for that entry. It's very nice. If I know you are not watching the streaming now, but
I am.
you got the really only wick in the 1 minute that he made at the 108. So if the stock is making any profit that will stay for the day in there, you have a very good trader.
I took half
Nice.
just to cover my loss from before.
Cool.
Now I'll see. And I put my stop loss right below VWAP. I think if it's breaking VWAP, I want to be out. It's tight, but
Yeah, but at least you will be keeping the profit. Yeah. So I also trade AMD, like this one. Yeah. Hammered that 108 a little bit too much. But again, it's the same thing I was saying, there is no sizes. There is some little size at 108 158 with 50 cents. But yeah, Nvidia coming back down. Spy,
IBIT is
yeah.
sorry. IBIT is following my range so good.
I don't know if you remember, but like this is like the third time that you say that thing, and like in the whole time that we have, like, because before you were having the same observation in IBIT.
Mhm.
So like,
And I sent you a picture.
yeah, for sure, yeah, for sure. I'm going to know the Wi-Fi, like that it arrived right away.
Like those were volume profile from the day before.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, like something I see is that when you use the range that you have there as a level of support, it's pretty much by the penny.
Mhm.
Very nice.
Well, IBIT would be a nice candidate to day trade, but I saw that when Bitcoin is going crazy, like last week, like you cannot do that. Like, it's not following it, just doing up, 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 up. You know what I mean?
Not exactly. Can you elaborate a little bit more on that?
It's like this strategy is only good when there's reversal in the day.
Okay.
If Bitcoin is only going up, it doesn't work. But last week it didn't work because it was only going up.
Do you think that that is because it's like a ETF that is just following? Like, for example, to be honest, I don't even know how they do that. But like, for example, like when people buy Bitcoin and things like that, like, does it really manifest on the tape? Like, what is going on? Like, if you see right now, that's IBIT, and you see like a bunch of selling, a bunch of buying, and there might be support at 167. So does it behave at some point like a stock and another like as a currency? Like,
I think IBIT is following exactly the.
like the movement?
Like I don't know if someone buy IBIT does it influence IBIT independently than Bitcoin.
Yeah, that is, well, that's the question
it.
I have, but like that's, I don't know. Like, I mean, like
Like if someone buy it like at a like insane price, higher than the price that is right now, does it push IBIT independently than Bitcoin?
yeah, that's a good question actually. Like, yeah, we should research that at some point, but I
But
know
it's the same for SP,
SPXL
SPY
and
and
SPXU.
SPXL.
Mm-hmm.
I mean SPY and SPX. If someone buys SPY, does it act independently than the real S&P 500? You know,
Yeah, yeah.
good question.
I'm gonna put it somewhere for at some point research that. Like somewhere we can see it. Like, for example, I took a trade, like, let's see, like, well, the same Nvidia trade. The last Nvidia trade was, I bought the ETF, and like it was the first time that I feel like the time decay.
Because it was leveraged.
Yeah, because I bought a leverage. Yeah, exactly. So Nvidia did a higher, like an all-time high, and the ETF didn't make an all-time high. It stayed behind. So yeah, like man, SPY is at 631, high of the day, all-time high. I think it is. I don't know. Like
I'm going short on Bitcoin.
okay, will you share your price?
Right there. 60. I'm not getting filled though. 67, 67.
Okay. What did you see there? Because look at the offer, how it's increasing there. Like that will answer our question a bit. You are talking about that. Look at the 65, 67, 65. Look at they were only lots of like 10, 20, 30 and blah blah blah, and they become 200, 100, another 200. Right there. So technically it could go back to 67.20, and at 67.20 that will be a test to see if we hold. Oh man, 67.20 so far.
I'm out of wood. It broke zero. It broke everyone.
Okay.
And I fucking still.
You didn't get it?
No, I'm dead.
Yeah. Like that's one of the problems I'm having. I have to be way too fast to catch the some move. Like ideally will be to have a hotkey. Like let's say you saw the whatever you saw there, because something you saw that. Look at how they are pounding. They are breaking it down to the 6750. Heavy offer at 6750 when the stock is already, when IBIT is already selling. So and the whoever is at 6720, no increasing, no moving, not doing anything. Probably to 67 will be even a thing in there. Okay, now they clear up a little bit, like the 6750 clear up the tape. Okay. But look at that. Buyers show up and they multiply the size by 2 at the offer. Still gonna go down, I think.
That's rough.
Oh yeah, that offer is heavy, man. Okay. It's not going through because the buyers are not getting filled right now. Buy the penny. Man, don't look at hood. I think when we say don't look at something, it's like look at something, but like it's it bounced the VWAP very nice.
I keep my order in the IBIT.
Mm-hmm.
Really tight stop loss. I'm break even for the day anyway.
Understood. I think that's it for Nvidia there also. I wouldn't expect it to go too high from there. And look at the volume. They came in right there. So, yeah. Because the print was looking weak, but now it's looking strong. So, like maybe the 172.00 on NVDA really flipped the tape. Yeah, this thing, like never mind. NVIDIA 74, and probably, wow. Let's see what is Tesla doing. selling off. Or selling. Not selling off, it's not selling that bad, but it's selling. The critical point for Robinhood right now is 109.50. 109.50 for Hood.
My mistake on Hood was the take profit at 109 a bit soon and moving the stop loss. That's a nice candle for Hood.
Yeah, I mean, like the whole of the VWAP with the moving average around there is looking good, and but at the same time, like you say, like, oh, the mistake was to take profit at 109, but like because the chart was not looking clean. Like, I think that that's the right thing to do, like to take profit that fast, because this was not trending up. Like, it seems to be wanting to get there, but like, yeah. Remember, I have the opposite disease, and like where I am holding for too long. Like, I put like actually a automatic things now. If I have 18 hours and I don't take profit, it's gonna get everything out and it's gonna block me. Because Friday I had a 21 hour trade and I finished breaking even. It's like, why would you do that? So, what's up, Laila? Okay. All right. So let's see.
Just a Weeble long beginning of the day.
Right. So we're back. So bull. Let's see bull. Man, Hood just went through the 109.50 like if there is nothing. What?
Look at how many green candles there were.
Which one, bull, Weeble, or Hood? Yeah.
Hood.
Hood. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. From the time that he got you out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That fucker was waiting.
Yeah. Let's see if we go
If it
to.
was good, I need to work on my exit.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting I did soon. The same price.
The price you wanted.
If it will get me.
Well, technically, he made a lower low on that top there. Like, it's trending down like that. You see?
Mhm. That's coming in.
Sorry.
To get to view up, it's 4 hours. You get to view up. So we're gonna go play pickleball on your vacation.
Yeah, for sure. I would like to go probably next weekend. Sorry. Yeah, this weekend I'm doing some camping. So
This weekend is a bit done. You mean next weekend you're doing camping or?
both weekends. No, both weeks. Like I'm gonna be training. I'm sorry, I say that I won't be training this week more, but like I am training Friday.
Yeah, I heard it on the Friday live stream
Mm-hmm.
and Monday and Friday.
Yeah, and then next week, I will be training Thursday and Friday.
I cannot trade those days.
Yeah, like this is a exception from your look at your trade reacting from that level again.
Mhm.
Yeah, like in your case, that was a exception that you show up today because of the long days, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Hi, Papa. Look at Hood.
No, I won't.
I cannot get over your entry there and like, but yeah, it's of course like I mean, that's why I'm doing what I'm doing because like that's the type of entry we are getting here and there, and like, but yeah, it's sweet. Like I mean, that thing really.
5 hours.
Yeah, now they're going to go down. That's what you
I
were going
bet.
to.
Let's go.
Okay, let's look at that IBIT while it's manifesting. Look at that flush. Okay, IBIT. Oh yeah, the sellers are heavy there. Like, let's see if the buyers show up the way they show up before. Now they are showing up at right here at 67.50.
I have to see if
If you want, you can look at the tape right there. It's IBIT tape. There is a huge wall between 59 and 66.
oh, I like that wick. Want to go up and got down.
Even Hood is pulling back a bit now.
Price going back? Yeah. Go. Let's go, IBIT. Let's go. And on 2 freaking good entry with tight stop loss.
Mm-hmm.
Like it.
Like, do you know more or less how many cents you are risking per share? Or you have a whole dollar set up? Like a whole dollar amount per trade?
6 cents.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's tight.
On Ibis and Wood was Wood was 30. But because Ibis is so low, like it's lower price,
Mm-hmm.
like the number of cents doesn't. But Ibis is lighter. Let's go. Like the
Yeah, look, the buyer at 55 got crushed. So let's see if the one at 51, yeah, the one at 53 as well.
51.
So look how they are getting a cross through.
51 is
Yeah, 51 half 125.
51.
Look how he is stepping down. That's
Oh,
not
yeah.
good. There we go.
See how he reacts at 51. Calling. Yes, rejecting. 50 now. Calling. Rejecting. 50 again. Rejecting. And rejecting. 50.
The only reason why 50 is holding there is because it was holding before.
Come on, I think. A big move is coming, I think.
Yeah, I think so too. I think so because of this candle.
I'm gonna move to break even.
Your entry was 65 or 67?
7.
Oh yeah.
Right on the top.
Yeah, Nvidia is done right now as well. Like that's the after the fact trade for me. Like I mean, it went 73 and it's entering the same the exactly how it's supposed to be doing. And like
We're gonna handle like that.
$59. Technically, it shouldn't get you because like if you see the 66, buy the penny, the 65 have 300 lot. Now, okay, he changed that very fast. Okay. Voila.
Let's go. Don't panic. We're break even anyway. Work on patience.
That's very interesting. Ooh la la.
Good one.
Ooh, it's going higher and higher. Okay, that's the neck. Broke the neck, now going higher.
Take a long.
What price will you be looking low on that? 65?
70.
70, okay.
That's okay. I'm gonna.
2 cents from it.
Yeah, I'm done. This is it.
Okay.
Made $7.
Hey, it's better
good.
than red.
Hmm.
It's better than red.
Oh, yeah. I was 2 hour red, then I made it back on full.
Mm-hmm.
Could have made 2 hours more. Then I did. I could have made 2 hours at the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
or 1 hour if I took half, let's say. But it's okay. The entry were pretty good.
Nice. Do you know why Lucid is popping up lately? Yeah. Do you know any about Lucid?
Yeah, they partner with Uber
That's why.
last week. Now they're down.
Yeah, yeah.
Partnership with Uber. In like a day, 2 days, 50% up.
Yeah. Yeah, the oof, Tesla is pumping. I know it's sell off in that previous candle. Oh no, it's not pumping actually. It's just that it was green by too much probably.
Yeah, it's flat for the day overall.
Yeah, exactly. And like, but I like in the pre-market, I saw it was like high, but like I didn't pay attention to how much percentage wise. So
So by up 3%. Yeah.
what was that?
So by up 3%. Like the shorts are getting squeezed and stuff. But
Yeah, especially like that's a company that had a lot of shorts.
I think it was 15%. Aurora too had the good shorts float at one point.
Yeah, do you know what is it now or not?
Yeah, I'm checking that. 14.9.
Yeah, that's very high. Well, very high. That's quite high for such a small name.
I think all the little company like that have.
No, all of them, but like because what happens like right now, like well, what happened?
Joe
Like,
Buys at 10.
Joe Biden, yeah, that the Joe Biden came down, right?
I think so. You know what I like about Joe Buy that I was liking before?
What?
It has 40% of the shares owned by insiders.
Wow.
I don't think I saw that before. That's a big thing. Aurora
Wait,
is
you're
30%
saying insiders or into institutionals?
insiders,
Okay,
people
because
that work for the company.
you know Uber, they have a weird thing too. Related to that, and like I have a very long time that I don't check it out, but like if you see in in Uber, like most of the holders are institutional. Like the institutional holding in Uber is off the roof compared to other companies. So that's why when you
Yeah, they are above 100%. That's what you mean.
you no I don't remember, like I'm gonna check it out now, let's see. But it was a very high number compared to other companies, so
83.
83%. Okay, there you see. That's
Yeah, Aurora
mhm.
owned by insiders is 28. Still pretty good.
Yeah, exactly that. Like we're still pretty good. I was going to say. So if you see the float of held by institutional 83.84, and just shares held by institutionals is 83.45, like
And they have like 0 shares owned by insiders. 0.8.
yeah.
That's so good.
Have you heard anything about Tesla robotaxi number or not? Like I have to go through that soon. Ideally, I'm gonna go through that during this week that I'm gonna be taking some time off. Well, that I am off. Like I'm gonna see. Yeah.
I didn't see anything about that.
Yeah, because like what happens is that like they like you know that those cars like there is a supervised behind like Waymo as well.
Mhm.
Like the cars.
Aurora as well.
Exactly, the cars are not totally driving alone, and like what is looking very promising on Tesla, and that is kind of the trade I have in the longer term, is that like they're gonna increase like the number of car per supervise, probably faster than Waymo. And once they do that, Waymo is kind of done there, I guess. Like, but I mean, like kind of done. Like Waymo is in the business from long time already ago, so like probably they will adjust as well to compete with Tesla. But Tesla, like the confidence of the driving of the AI and all those things, like people were saying, is way more like they feel more secure when they were in the Tesla because the turns were more certain. Like the car feel more certain when it was going to turn, while the Waymo was like of course like
Just
still have a
hitting.
lot of hiccups. Like Tesla was dropping off people like in places that were not that safe, like in the middle of a lane. But yeah, Elon Musk got asked in X when does he see the number of car per supervisor, like the ratio increasing, and he said 1 month or two, so that's not bad.
Yep. I've been looking at a stock too.
Mm-hmm.
It's called NEUP. But I never traded those stocks.
It's
like,
like
Pharma-
$7 about.
yeah, 7.59. It's a pharmaceutical stock,
Okay.
but like it's a bit of a gamble. Like
You think so? That looks interesting, man. Like,
so,
very
they have-
interesting looks that.
yeah, but it's not the
Yeah,
chart
but
that
you
is
know.
the most interesting.
Yeah, well, sorry, what were you saying? I was having fun.
It's not the chat the chart that looks more interesting.
Okay,
It's that
talk
they
to
have
me. Talk to me.
called like type 3
Hello?
yeah, one sec.
Okay.
Okay, they have phase 3 approval waiting,
Are you kidding me?
and like people in the like I started reading the comments on Yahoo Finance.
Yeah.
You can comment stock.
Yeah, like the reason why I use Yahoo Finance, like right now I have Yahoo Finance open here, is to read all the comments that people put in there.
Yeah, so people are like flabbergasted to see like that is so cheap,
Mm-hmm.
because if one of the phase 3 drug passes,
Mm-hmm.
the stock can go $50 to $100.
Are you kidding me?
So it's a gamble. Like a guy said, it's basically a gamble. There's like 30% chance of it getting 50 to 100,
Okay.
and if it doesn't, it goes to $2 or so.
Yeah.
Basically, like the market cap is so cheap for a company that has phase 3 drug.
Mm-hmm. I know they are not making money and things like that, or like if they are making money, like the expenses are high right now. But did you see the MRQ, debt to equity?
What?
It's at 0.66, so for that type of company, that's not that bad. What that can mean is, like, for example, opening cash flow, 651,000. I'm trying to find here the outstanding share. Yeah, 1.8. Yeah, like that's one of those that I'm gonna be writing them down. Like what I'm saying is that they don't seem to have enough debt for them to go like from $7 to $2. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
Like,
But they went to in November of 2024.
Yeah, but like, did you see the outstanding share of that thing?
Mm-hmm.
It's like, I think, did I see 1.5 million? Like, let's see, I was it right now. Like,
Yeah, look at that. Total cash, 17 million. Total debt, 172,000. Yeah, that's a 0.66%. That's
mm-hmm.
crazy. Look at that. Short float, just guess the short float.
I have it on my face.
Okay. 0.78.
Yeah, 0.78.
So
What's up, lady?
people are scared to
I
get
see.
short.
We're gonna talk a little bit. You looks beautiful. We see you in a bit. Yeah, like, sorry, what were you saying there?
Like people are scared to get short because if it explodes, like
Yeah,
That's
like, they have 1.88 million shares. So if one of those things get approval, like this thing is gonna recycle those shares like through one day, like nothing. So
or do you see market cap?
market cap is 14 million.
Yeah, they were saying it's crazy for a company with 3 drugs.
Yeah.
So they have, yeah, market cap 14 million, cash 18 million. Phase 3 readout for ACE-AD trial in Q3.
Did you see
Q3
the
of
margin
20.
profit? Profit margin?
What? How much?
37.2%. That's a lot.
So they have a phase 3 readout of SAD trial that is gonna go in Q3.
Mm-hmm.
A phase 3 of PTSD trial soon. And a phase 2 for Alzheimer's disease. Super cheap, extremely low floater. Going to explode like a nuclear bomb if a phase 3 result is positive.
Very cool.
And you know how many employees?
I know how many.
8 employees.
Ay, ay, ay. The only thing is like if this thing pop up, like to cash out early is smarter.
Yeah, that's
Like therapeutical things are known, or pharmaceutical things in general are known for the owners to cashing out fast.
Mm.
So, especially having 8 employees is, yeah.
so you put like half at 50 and half at 100. Very good. Hmm?
Yeah, like you mean half of your size to sell it at 50 and half of your size to sell it at, because like if they are saying that it's gonna go to 50, it's almost for sure they're gonna be wrong on that number because of the
Sure.
calculation. Like for example, it is a little bit too hard to calculate the move when you only have 1.88 million share. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like
So
basically,
you can go with companies that have phase 3 approval
mm-hmm,
and calculate and see their market cap,
mm-hmm.
and based on that you can expect that stock to go at the same market cap. And because you have the number of shares and the market cap right now, you can calculate.
Have you seen
much
their
they sold?
earnings report?
No?
Yeah, they beat last earning report for good, man. Yeah. Like the analyst price target is 19.50.
Yeah. P ratio 0.4. That's crazy.
Where did you get that name from?
Man, I was on Joe Buy Aviation or Aurora conversation thing,
Yeah.
and someone just said that they were buying that stock, and I went to check, and
Look at this other. Like this other is a similar thing, but with AI. Holy crap! How many letters does that thing have? RKV. RKV.
but before we get into another stock, do you think it would be a good stock to own a bit of shares?
Oh, I'm excited enough that if I sell Tesla before the thing go kaboom, I'm gonna buy at least 25% of my
25 what?
25% of my Tesla of my portfolio. Like I write it down here. No, it's not financial advice to anybody that is watching, but in general, it's like that's just like a shot that, in my opinion, it worth it. And like on BBAI, and I know this is different names, but in BBAI, I was willing to go even bigger than that. BBAI, I just miss like doubling that. So I want to not miss it. I think I think it has a good chance, Zach, is what I'm saying here. And
Like the thing is, if it goes down, you just don't sell it and keep it. Something like that.
that will be the difference. Like probably in this one, I will put a clear point like that. I will say, hey, if it goes below there, I will sell. Like let's
Because
see.
Let's
Yeah.
say their phase 3 thing doesn't pass,
Yeah.
it might go down because they only have 2 now. But they still have 2, you know. Like if
Yeah.
you lost 50% of your money, you just let it, keep it there, and see how it goes for the next 2.
Yeah. Like
14 million market cap is like a company in our town right now. Like
mm-hmm.
a small company in our town, I'm sure they have 14 million. You know what I mean? My friend Machine Shop have 14, I think.
Yeah, like that. That's nothing compared to. Yeah.
Yeah, like Aurora, in my head, it's a small company, but they have like a couple billion.
And they have good public relations. Like they are not at that point yet, and like that probably will be a criticism that would or a critic that we can do with Aurora. That I find like you see how, of course, like Tesla is a big company, but I am just making it a little bit more obvious. Like you see how Tesla like make influence of their political and social power. Aurora doesn't do that. Like, how many people know about Aurora? Not many people, you know. Like, and like, if you see, like, the politician I saw in interest in this thing that I was it was Barack Obama first with the documentary, and then like with the pushing of the developments of this company, because like for example, I don't know if you know, Barack Obama was the same guy that facilitated the 400 million to Elon Musk. So like I'm pretty sure that if they will be more diligent about, but maybe they are just waiting for them to be like more advanced in the technology. But the Aurora can easily go to the government and say, hey, can you provide me with this it could be from economical incentive to like financial incentive to incentive to like subsidize thing like projects and things like that, so they can do those things, but they are not doing that much. Like I know they raised I think it was 400 something million like before last quarter, But people were very mad because they missed like $100,000 profit. It's like, give me a break. Like, I mean, like, they are not focusing yet in the selling of the product. They are developing.
Yep.
Yeah, the other name I was going to mention, I don't have. It's on the OTC market, and like it doesn't give me the quote. I don't know if it's because I don't have the pack for there's RV, no, RK VTD.
TD?
Yeah, V. Like I put it on the screen there.
Yeah. Racovina Therapeutic.
Yeah, it's a 0.51. Like I have been looking at that, and it was a couple of cents below. It was 20% below that when I look at it, and they have they are like treating certain disease with AI thing. Like they are like trying to find solution. But it's just the
I
name
don't
you.
like the name though.
No, I don't like it neither. But like that's a very risky one.
Big balls one.
Yeah, that's how you call it. AMD.
That one is 11 million market cap.
Yeah,
They have way more debt than cash.
yeah. Like basically, the name you gave me is the ticket you gave me is way better than that one in many aspects. Like
Yeah, I might put 1,000 in derp. Mm-hmm. You did pretty good, my guy. I need to go soon though. I need to cut my hair today. Yeah. I wanted to talk to you about the plan that I have for next summer, let's say. So, mhm, yeah, if possible.
So for anybody watching, that's it for today. I did many mistakes here, as usual, I will say, but we're gonna have to work on that. Basically, like I was kind of clear that this name was a short, but from 173. I was not clear that it was a long from 172 here, so I kind of can tell you that this is a wrong entry or exit. This one very questionable here. Yeah, so basically, like I didn't respect the sizes on the tape, and I keep doing that every Monday. So because I kind of forget, I guess. So I have to emphasize, like to pay more attention to. Hey, I only want to go in where there is sizes. At 66, there is no sizes here. There is at 50. So I have to keep working on that, as I say. And all those trades, most of them, like I mean, there might be one or two okay, but this is crap trades. Like I mean, this is not good, man. Don't do that. So as I say, I know I did that, and I'm gonna be working on that. Like this is a short here at 20. I don't like those prints 20s. I mean, like, and it's okay. It's good to take it eventually, but not the right call, as I say. So crappy trade on Nvidia for me, and it's all on me. I know as 100% sure that I didn't do my best in there, and yeah, we're gonna be working on that. Then we have AMD, and this is AMD. This was different. This is a good entry here, but then it didn't work and it just break down. So that's a loss. This is not a good entry. This is I got in alone with Pablito, so that's not good. So basically, as I say, red day, but hey, we're gonna keep working on this. That's part of the process here. You can see there's a buyer here at 30, but how relevant is that right now? Not much. So my guy Zach took this trade in hood, which was a beautiful entry here. Like as you can see, he was bidding 108. He got 108 all the way up to the VWAP. Very nice for him. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, we're gonna be here Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We're gonna be off, so there is no streaming for those days. But Friday, we for sure gonna be back. So I hope everybody have a good day. I hope everybody enjoy. Yeah, we will see you soon. Bye.